number with another number if we can easily remember the tables from 1 to 20. If suppose I say that you divide a number by 89, it's very difficult to understand to learn the table of 89. So for that purpose, we use this verniculum. Whenever the digits are 5 or more than 5, we first find the verniculum and then find the then divide. For example, if you have a number 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 1, 3, 8, 7, 9. For example, we have this number. So what we do? We divide this number in two parts. For example, we have this one. So we divide this and in this way in two parts. And we find the verniculum separately. How do we find the verniculum? Same method. 10 minus 9 is 1. So 1 bar. 9 minus 7 is 2. 2 bar. 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 bar. See, 1, 3. Now, next number is 3. It is less than 5. So, what we do? We do not take its verniculum. We just subtract 1 from it. So, we have 3 minus 1 is 2 and write 1. So, what I want to say that if the digits are 5 or more, then we take the verniculum. If the digits are less than 5, we do not take the verniculum. Again, we take the verniculum of this part. 10 minus 9 is 1, so this is 1 bar. 9 minus 8 is 1, this is 1 bar. 9 minus 7 is 2, this is 2 bar. 9 minus 5 is 4, 4 bar. And we subtract 1 from it, so it is 1. So this is the way of finding the verniculum, which is very useful for divisibility. Now, what is the method of finding anti-weniculum? Means you want to convert a verniculum number to the original. Let us see. Same method. If you have this number, again, all from 9, last from 10, and you add now. Last time we were subtracting 1 from the most significant. Here we add. Let us convert again. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 1 is 8. And this is 2. So we add 1 to this. This is 3 and 1. You can see both the numbers are same. Okay? So in this way, we can convert a vernicular number to the normal number. Similarly, come to this. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 4 is 5. And we add 1 to the most significant. This is 2. And you can see both numbers are same. So in this way, we can find verniculum and convert a vernicular number into the normal number. Any doubt? Okay, so let us move to the divisibility. First method here is known as Dvajank. In normal division, you know that we have this type of pattern. Here we write dividend. Here we have divisor. Here quotient. And then here we can have remainder. This is the way of normal division, but in Vedic mathematics, how do we write it? Here we write dividend, here divisor, and here quotient, and here remainder. So this is the way of writing divisibility in Vedic mathematics. Shall I clear this? Let us take few questions. If suppose question is divide 7, 1, 5, 3, 5, 6. I am taking simple one, then we will take difficult one. So you first write in Vedic mathematics the same pattern, 7, 5, 3, 1, 3 and divided by 6. Okay. Then you draw a line. The first digit is 7. When you divide 7 by 6, 6 ones are 6, remainder is 1. So we write 1 here, the quotient, and remainder here. 7 minus 6, this is remainder 1. Okay, so we write remainder. Now this is 11. So when you divide 11 by 6, 6 ones are 6 again. So you have 6 ones are 6. And what is the remainder? 5. We write here 5. Now this is 55. If you divide 55 by 6, so it is 9s are. So we have 54, remainder is 1. 6 9s are 54, remainder is 1. So we have 1. This is 13 now. When you divide 13 by 6, it is 6 2s are 12. So this is 1. So 6 2s are, so remainder is 1. So this is your question. This is your remainder. Okay. But this is not very useful method, because here also we are using tables. If I do not learn the tables of all the numbers, then how can I perform this? Right? So this is the drawback of this. Although this is the easiest method, but this is not applicable to all numbers. If the numbers are larger, suppose I say that you divide by 685. We cannot learn the table of 685, right? So we have other methods which are shortcuts using Vedic mathematics. Shall I explain this? So this method is known as Verniculum. I think you are familiar with this Verniculum in Vedic mathematics. This is the first sutra, and this is all from 9 and last from 10. So if suppose I have a number, say 2, 7, 8, 9, 5, 4. How do we find the Verniculum of this? You subtract all from 9 and last from 10. So this is 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. So this is the Verniculum of this number. This is Verniculum. Okay. One thing more I want to mention here, that if in Vedic mathematics we take base as powers of 10, because the powers of 10 are easier to handle. So here the bases are 10, 10 square which is 100, 10 cube 1000, 10 4 and so on. So these are the bases. So bases are very important. When the number is near to the base, then obviously we subtract that number from the base. For example, I consider a number 98. For this, we subtract 100 minus 98, this is 2. But if suppose I have 104, if I subtract this from 100, this is going to be minus 4, which is 4 bar. Okay. So base is very important in Vedic mathematics, and this thing we are going to make use in divisibility. This method is very simple and applicable to all the numbers. Now, for example, if you have that you divide 10205 by 88. Using the previous method, it was not easy to divide any number by 88 directly, right? So what we do, this number 88, this is closer to 100. So here we treat base as 100. Base is 100. And how many zeros are there? 2 zeros in the base. So zeros very important, zeros play very important role in Vedic mathematics. So you need to count the zeros. In 100 we have 2 zeros, 1000 we have 3 zeros and so on. So if you divide this, see this is 20, it means the remainder will be 2-digit number. This is the first thing. 100 has 2 zeros, so the remainder will be 2-digit number. If it is not 2-digit number, then we place a 0 before the number. If suppose in the remainder I get 7, 7 won't do, it will be 07. If suppose the base is 1000, and if I get a single digit number in the remainder, for example 2, so 1000 has 3 zeros, so remainder would be 002. Okay, so we write this number 05. Since base has 2 zeros, 100, so we put a slash after 2 numbers starting from right to left. Okay, then we write 88 here. Now, this 88, if we subtract it from 100, base is 100, so 100 minus 88, this is 12. This 12 is known as modified divisor. In short form, we write this MD, modified divisor. We write this 12 here. You please see carefully. If you won't understand, please ask me. This is useful method. Now, first number, whatever is this first number, you write this as it is. This is 1, we write it here. Okay. Then we keep on multiplying this quotient number with this modified divisor. 1 into and digit wise, not 12 into 1. This is 1 into 1 is 1. 1 2 are 2. In this way we write. You write 1 2 with this 1. 1 into 1, 1 2 are 2, like this, separately. Now 0 plus 1 is 1. So this is the next quotient number. 0 plus 1 is 1. We write it here. Again we have 1. So 1 1s are 1. 1 2s are 2. So now add 2 plus 1 is 5. This is 5. Okay. Now we put a slash because now next is slash below slash. Now 5 is the next number. Again 5 is a 5 we write, and 5 2 is 10. You write 10 here. Okay. Now add. Since we have reached to the last number, we stop here. So 10 plus 5 is 15. 5 plus 2 is 7. But here there is a twist. I told you the remainder should have only 2-digit number, but here the remainder we are getting 3-digit number. So what we do, we carry over this and add this to the next. So this is 85. 7 plus 1, whatever is this number, you add it here. 7 plus 1 is 8. So this is quotient and this is your remainder. Let me take another example. Any doubt? See, we have this number 10205 and we want to divide it by 88. Okay. This 88 is near 100, so base is 100. We subtract from 100, so we are getting 12. This is your MD, the modified divisor. So we write 12 here. And we put a slash after 2 digits, starting from right to left. Then you write first number as it is. It is 1, 1, 2, 2, whatever is this number, you write as it is. Then you multiply this number with these, but digit wise. 1 into 1 is 1, 1, 2 is 2. Then you add 0 plus 1 is 1. Again, 1 is the next quotient number. 1 into 1, 1, 2 is 2. Add 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 1, 5. 5. Put a slash after this. Then 5 you multiply, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Then add, because we have reached to the last, so 10 plus 5 is 15, 5 plus 2 is 7. But since base has two zeros, so remainder should have only 2 digits. Here we have 3. So we take this 1 as the carryover and add here. So this is 85. This is 115 is the quotient, 85 is the remainder. Right? Let us take a larger number. If suppose I say that you divide 131432 by 899. So what is the base for this? 899? 1000, right? So base is 1000. And we subtract 899 out of it. So what is this? This is 101. So this is modified divisor. This is 131432 and we want to divide by 899. Modified divisor is 101. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros in the base. So starting from right to left, we count 3. This is 1, 2, 3. So we put a slash for the remainder here. Okay. Let us proceed. First number as it is, this is 1. Multiply 1 with this 101. So 1 into 1 is 1, 1001. 3 plus 1 is 4. So we add 4. Next quotient digit is 4. So we multiply 4 with this. 4 ones are 4. 4 into 0. 4 ones are 4. Okay. Then add 4 plus 1 is 5. We put a slash for the remainder. Next digit is 5. So 5 ones are 5. 5 0. 5 ones are 5. We stop because we have reached to the last digit. Okay. So this is 5 plus 1, 10, 4 plus 3, 7, 5 to 7. But how many zeros are there in the base? 3. But here we are getting 4 numbers. So we carry over this and add here. So this is 146 and this is 077. This is quotient, this is remainder. Okay. Okay, one more thing. Here this 077 is there and we have taken over next to the next. So we add this modified divisor here. Add 101. So remainder is basically 871. 178 is the remainder. Because reason is after shifting this one, we are getting 077, right? Which is less than this 101. So that is why we are adding this 101. Always we do not add. Now again, there is a problem here. If you have suppose divided a number by 99, okay, 99 is closer to 100. So what is the modified divisor? Not 1, it is 01. So another thing I want to tell you here, that 0 plays very important role in Vedic mathematics. So for example, if you have that you divide 1322 by 99. 99 is closer to 100, so base is 100. 100 minus 99, it is 01, not 1. Why 01? Because base has 2 zeros. Okay, so the modified divisors should have the same number of digits, same as the base. This is very important. So now divide 1322 by 99. Modified divisor is 01. So base has 2 zeros. So again you count 2, 2. Put a slash here. Let us start. First number as it is 1. Then 0. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1. 3 plus 0 is 3. Put a slash. 3 into 0 is 0. 3 ones are 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So this is the answer. 13 is the quotient and 35 is the remainder. So 0 plays very important role. You cannot neglect 0 because if you neglect 0, what would happen? 1 is there. So when you multiply by 1, this 1 would shift to here. It won't give you a correct answer. Now similarly, if suppose I take you have that you divide 47578 by 998. Okay. 998 is closer to 1000. So we have 1000 minus 998. So what is the modified divisor? You tell me now. 002. Not 2 only. It is 002 because it has 3 zeros. So modified divisor should have 3 digits. Okay. So this is 002. Let us start. And it has 3 zeros. So we put a slash here for remainder. So first digit as it is 4. Multiply 4 into 0 is 0. 4 into 0 is 0. 4 twos are 8. So 7 plus 0 is 7. We put a slash. Multiply by 7. 7 into 0. 7 into 0. 7 twos are 14. Now add 14 plus 8. 22. 8 plus 7. 15. And 5. Is it the correct answer? Remainder? No. Because the remainder should have only 3 digits. So what should we do? We consider this as a carryover. So this is 2. 5, 15 plus 2 is 17. So 7. 5 plus 1 is 6. 672. So this is your quotient. This is your remainder. Okay. Now, in all these questions, I have taken the divisor less than the base. But it is not always possible the divisor is always less than the base. What happens if the base divisor is more than the base? Okay, there we shall use Verniculum or the Rekhank method. If suppose you have that you divide 231873 by 9818. Okay. I will do this using 4 methods parallelly, which I have already told you. See, if you just observe, here the digits are more than 5. 8, 7 here, 9, 8, 8 here. Okay. So here we can use the concept of Verniculum, because if you find modified divisor also, this is large. So that is why I will perform this division the same using 4 methods, and you will wonder that the answers would come out to be the same. So the first is, we have this 231873. So what is the base in this case? 10,000. 10,000 would have 4 zeros. So we have this 9818. If it subtract from 10,000, 9818, so it is coming out to be 2, 8, 9 minus 1, 9 minus 1. Okay, so it is 0 also because it has 4 zeros. You cannot neglect 0. So this is modified 0182. Let us start. And it has 4 zeros. So we put a slash here after 4 numbers, counting from right to left. First number as it is, 2 as it is. You multiply by 2. 2 into 0 is 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 eights are 16. So you write this together. 2 twos are 4. 3 plus 0 is 3. So this is the next quotient number. Put a slash and multiply by 3. 3 0 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 eights are 24. 3 twos are 6. We stop because we have reached to the last. Now one thing more I want to mention is, suppose you want to find out with decimal, answer in decimals. So you put 0 zeros after this, 0 0 0, and you proceed in the same way. And after 3 you put a decimal. That's it. Okay. Now if we again add, 2 plus 1 is 3, 16 plus 8 24 plus 3 27, 24 plus 4 28 plus 7 35, and 6 plus 3 9. But this is not the answer, right? So this is 9. Next is 5. 27 plus 3 is 30. So we put a 0, and 3 plus 3 is 6. So this is your quotient and this is your remainder. Okay. But here you can see that we are getting double digits, right? Because of these double digits, we have to take carryover. And if you just want to remove these carryovers, you will get direct answer. You want direct answer. So what should we do? So this is the second method which I am telling you. This is your first method. The second method, the same question. Now for this, we will find out Verniculum of this number. See, this is 231873. We identify the digits which are more than 5. More than 5 numbers are, digits are these, 8 and 7. Let us start finding the Verniculum. What is the Verniculum? 3 as it is because it is less than 5. 10 minus 7 is 3, so we put a bar. 9 minus 8 is 1, we put a bar. And we subtract 1 to the next. So 1 minus 1 is 0, this is 0, 3, 2, because these numbers are less than 5. So this is the Verniculum of this number. We will use this Verniculum instead of 231873. In this case, you won't get the double digits. So it is 2, 3, 0, 1 bar, 3 bar, 3. And we divide it by 9818, and the modified divisor is 0182. Let us start again. The same method is same. We put a slash here. First number as it is 2. Again 2 into 0 is 0. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4. We will get rid of this next method. 3 plus 0 is 3. Put a slash. Again 3 into 0. 3 to 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 2s are 6. See, this bar means negative, right? So how do we calculate? 6 plus 3, 9. 24 plus 4, 28. 28 minus 3. Okay, this 3 bar means minus. So it is 25. We write here 25. 16 plus 3, 19. 19 minus 1 is 18. We write 18 and 2. So let us, with some problem. This is 9, 5, 18 plus 2. I made some mistake. Two, 3, 0, 1. Okay, there is a problem. Here, actually, when we convert, we should add 1 to this. This is 2 basically. उल्टा कर दिया. हाँ, एक हाँ. We add 1. और जब इसको reverse करते हैं तो we subtract. Sorry. So here this is 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Now, 18 plus 2 is 20, 0. 4 plus 2 is 6. So this is your question. This is your remainder. You can see both answers are same. Okay. Again, here we are getting 8, which is more than 5. So we can also take the Verniculum of this number. So next method is using the Verniculum of the modified divisor. Shall I erase this? So your number is 231873 and we want to divide it by 9818. So its modified divisor was 0182. But if we take its Verniculum, again take the Verniculum, 2 is less than 5, so we write 2 as it is. 10 minus 8 is 2, so we write 2 bar. Add 1 to this, so this is 2 and 0. So this is modified divisor of the modified divisor, MD of MD. Okay, so we write and we have this is 231873. So this is 9818. Its modified divisor is 0182 and its new divisor is modified as this. Again we put a slash because 10,000 is the base. Proceed in the same way. First number as it is 2. Then multiply. Now multiply with this new modified divisors, not with the old one. So 2 into 0 is 0. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 2 into 2 bar. This is negative number. Basically this is 2 into minus 2, which is going to be minus 4. So 4 bar. So clear? So this is 2 into 2 bar is 4 bar. 2 into 2 is 2. So next number is 3 plus 0 is 3. Then again multiply. 3 into 0 is 0. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6 bar. And 3 2s are 6. We stop here. So 6 plus 3 is 9. 7 plus 2, 9 minus 6 because it is 6 bar. So what is this? 3. 7 plus 2, 9 and this is 6 bar. मैं कहीं गलत किया. ओहो 2 2s are 4. ये 4 है. Sorry. 4 bar नहीं 4. This is last one is 2. So 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 minus 4 is 10. So we write 10. And 4 plus 1 is 5. But again, we want 4-digit number. It is 5. So this 1 can be treated as a carryover. So this is 9506. So this is your question. This is your remainder. We are getting the same answer. Okay. Now, we have done number directly with the modified divisor. Then we took the Verniculum and the modified divisor. Here we have taken modified divisor of the modified divisor and the number. But what is the next? It is Verniculum with the Verniculum of the modified divisor. Let us try this also. So if you divide this 231875 and its Verniculum was, find the Verniculum of this. This is 3. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 8 is 1. And we add 1. This is 2. Then 3 and 2. This was the Verniculum. So we have this 2, 3, 2, 1 bar, 3 bar, 3. And we put a slash here. The divisor here is 9818 modified 1982 and is modified this. Let us try this also, whether we are getting the same answer or not. First number as it is 2. Multiply with the modified divisor. 2 into 0 is 0. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4 bar. And 2 twos are 4. Next number is 3 plus 0 is 3. We put a slash. 3 into 0 is 0. 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6 bar. And 3 twos are 6. We stop. Now 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 bar plus 3 bar is 9 bar. 9 bar minus 4 is 5 bar. Put 5 bar. 4 bar plus 1 bar is 5 bar. 6 minus 5 is 1. Then 4 plus 2 is 6. But we are getting bar here. So you convert this into the normal number. So this is 9. 10 minus 5 is 5. And we subtract 1 to the next. It is 0 and 6. You can see this is quotient. This is remainder. Okay. So using all the 4 methods, we have got the same answer. You can use this as per your convenience. Now next is checking your answer, whether you are getting quotient and remainder same. I think you know division algorithm. Okay. Shall I erase? This is checking of answers using cross digit sum or Bijang. Are you familiar with Bijang? Bijang ho gaya? Okay. So basically Bijang is that if you have a number, say 9, 7, 8, 1, 4, 5, say 2, 7, 3. Okay. So what we do, we cross the numbers, either they are 9 or sum of 9s. So we have, this is 9, you just cross. Then 7 plus 2, you just cross, this is 9. 5 plus 4, this is also 9, you cross. 8 plus 1, 9, you cross. So what is left? This is 8, 7 and 3. 8 plus 7, it is 15 plus 3, 18. So we are getting 18 and find a single digit sum. 8 plus 1 is 9. So this is known as the Bijang. Okay. And 9 is equivalent to 0 because in this decimal number system, we have numbers from 0 to 9. So this is also equivalent to 0. Okay. How do we use in checking the answers of divisibility? We have division algorithm. What is this? This is dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. This is the division algorithm.
Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry to interrupt you. There is a request that just repeat or give some more examples of the your previous presentation. Means it was excellent actually. You have discussed 4 methods to find the division. So, ma'am, just you can take more examples
Using all 4 methods.
Yeah.
हाँ, कोई problem नहीं है. ठीक, okay. Okay. ठीक. Let me explain this, then I will repeat. No problems. Okay. We just did this question. This was 231,873 divided by 918. So this is your dividend. This is your divisor. This is your dividend. This is your divisor. And quotient we obtained is 23 and remainder was 6059. Okay. So let us check the answer. Let us put everything in the division algorithm. So it is 2,3,1,873 is equal to quotient. Quotient is 23 into divisor 9,818 plus the remainder 6,059. And we find the Bejank of each. I just explained you the Bejank. So we have 8 plus 1, 9, 7 plus 2, 9. So 3 plus 3. The Bejank here is 6. Next number 2, 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Its Bejank is 5. Then 9 cancel, 8 plus 1, this cancels. So its Bejank is 8. Okay. Then plus, we have 9 cancels, 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 is 1 plus 1, 2. Its Bejank is 2. Right? And we perform the same operation here. 8 5s are 40 plus 2, 42. And what is the Bejank of this? Single digit, 6, and both are matching. So this way you can check the answer. Is it clear? Okay. As per the request that I should take more examples. Okay. So, let me give another example. For example, you have take any question. This is 2, 4, 8, 7, 9, 5. You divide this with the number, say 8, 2, 7, 9. Okay. Actually, this अभी ये थोड़ा उसको क्लोजर लेना पड़ेगा हमें बेस के. अभी वो मेथड मैंने आपको बताया नहीं है ना, जो क्लोजर ना हो तो कैसे करते हैं. Let me take something, say 9992. Next, I will explain if the number is not closer to base, then how do we perform the divisibility? Okay. So we have this 9992. This is closer to 10,000. So we have base as 10,000 minus 9992. So it is going to be 0008. This is the modified divisor. So we have this is 248795 divided by 9992 and modified divisor is 0008. So it has 4 digits. So we put a slash here for the remainder. First number as it is, this is 2. Multiply 2 into 0, 2 into 0, 2 into 0 is 0, 2 8s are 16. 4 plus 0 is 4, so we put a slash. Multiply 4 into 0 is 0, 4 into 0 is 0, 4 into 0 is 0. This is 32. So 32 plus 5 is 37, 16 plus 9 is 25, 7 and 8. So it has 4 zeros, so we need to carry over. This is 7, 25 plus 3 is 28. 7 plus 2 is 9 and 8. So this is your quotient. This is your remainder. This is the first method. Now let us find the Verniculum of the dividend and then proceed and check whether the answer is same or not. This is 248795. So these are the digits which are more than 5. Let us take the Verniculum. 10 minus 5 is 5, 5 bar. 9 minus 9 is 0, so 0 bar or 0. 9 minus 5 is 2, so this is 2 bar. 9 minus 8 is 1, 1 bar. And we add 1 to this is 5 and 2. So this is the Verniculum of this number. This is 2, 5, 1 bar, 2 bar, 0, 5 bar. So it is 9992. This is 0008. Let us divide. Put a slash here. First number as it is. 2 into 0 is 0. 2 into 0 is 0. 2 into 0 is 0. 2 8s are 16. 5 plus 0 is 5. Put a slash. 5 into 0 is 0. 0, 0. This is 40. Then 1 bar, it is 1 bar. this is 2 bar, and this is 16. 40 minus 5 is 35. We are not getting the same answer in this case. This is 5. 16 plus 3 is 19. So it is 9. 2 minus 1 is 1 bar and 1 bar. So if we take the complement of this is 10, complement means we convert it. So it is going to be 10 minus 5 is 5. We add 1 to this, subtract 1. So this is 8. Then again we start. This is 1 bar. 9 minus 1 is, 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. And we subtract 1 from here. So this is 24. This 5 is coming out to be different. I made a mistake. 10 minus 5 is 5. Here the 5, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 8 is 1. Only this digit is coming out to be different. Must be 5 bar. So it is 45. 5 bar, so we have taken the Verniculum na. So this is 10 minus 5 is 5 bar. All from 9, last from 10. This is 5 bar. नहीं ये तो ठीक है अभी मॉडिफाइड नहीं लिया हमने दिस इज मॉडिफाइड ओनली नॉट मॉडिफाइड ऑफ मॉडिफाइड वो भी करेंगे नेक्स्ट व्हाई वी आर गेटिंग डिफरेंस Nine minus 9 we have done in a correct way. We can check the answer. 35 I have written 35. This is 35, so this is 5. Except this 7, we are getting the same. Let's 95. Let's 95. We have done correctly. We need to check the answer. Let us try with the another, then we can verify. Can you give me the number? I erase this. So the Verniculum of this number was 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 8 is 1 and add 1. So this is 5 and 2. And its modified divisor was 008. If we again take the modified divisor of this, it is coming out to be 10 minus 8 is 2 bar and add 1 to this, it is 1, 0, 0. This is modified divisor of the modified divisor. Let us try this. This is 2, 4, 8, 7, 9, 5 divided by 9992, 0008 and 0012 bar. Put a slash here. First, as it is, 2 into 0 is 0, 2 into 0 is 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 bar because it is 2 into minus 2. 4 plus 0 is 4. We put a slash. Then 4 into 0 is 0, 4 into 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 bar. Okay. So we have this 8 bar, 5, this is 3 bar, 4 minus 4 is 0, so it is 9, 7 plus 2 is 9 and 8. Okay, let us convert this number. So 10 minus 7 is, 10 minus 3 is 7 and we subtract 1, so 8, 9, 8. So it means this is the correct answer. First wala jo tha, it was correct answer. This is quotient, this is remainder. We are getting the same. So there is a calculation mistake in the previous one. Now the final method. In this we take Verniculum with the Verniculum. So it is 2, 5, 1 bar, 2 bar, 0, 5 bar. We divide this by 9992. Modified divisor is 008, 0012 bar. Put a slash. First number as it is, 2 into 0 is 0, 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 bar. Then 5 plus 1, 0 is 0. 5 into 0, 5 into 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 bar. Then again this is 1 bar, this is 2 bar, 0 and 10 minus this is 15 bar. Acha, okay. Okay. ठीक है. हाँ जी. हाँ ये 0 हो गया. 2 bar is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. This is 1. Okay, so basically we are getting 1, 0, 1 and 15 bar. है ना? So this is 1 bar and we take it to the next. It is basically 1, 0, 0, 5 bar. Huh. Again, there is a problem with this method. When we take this Verniculum, we are getting here in the end 5. But if we take in the normal, we are getting in the 7. So there is some problem with this. Practical application, see, I am explaining. So that is why I am taking more time. But directly if you do it, it takes less time than the usual method. Okay. After this lecture, I will explain you that you can do also research in this field. So what are the topics we can take for the research in Vedic mathematics? Okay, after completing all these methods. So these methods are useful, very, very useful in research. Okay. You give me any number. Only 500. Divide by? Divide 5 only. Divide by? 997. Okay. 9 and 3? Okay. So base is 1000. Minus 993. It is 007. Modified divisor. So this is 235192. Base has 3 zeros. We put a slash and we divide by. This is 993. This is 007. Okay. So this is modified divisor which we have obtained after subtracting the divisor from the base. 007. As I told you, the number of digits in the modified divisor should be same as the number of zeros in the base. So first number as it is, this is 2. Then 2 into 0 is 0. 2 into 0 is 0. 2 sevens are 14. 3 plus 0 is 3. Okay. multiply by 3. 3 into 0 is 0. 3 into 0, 21. 5 plus 0 plus 0, this is 5. So we put a slash. Then we have 14 plus 5 into 0 is 0. 5 into 0, this is 35. Add 35 plus 2, 37. 21 plus 9 is 30. 14 plus 1 is 15. But here we have only 3 zeros. Means remainder should have only 3 digits. So we take the carryover. This is 7. 30 plus 3 is 33. 15 plus 3 is 18. So this is your quotient. This is your remainder. क्या है? One will be added to this. So this is 2, 3, 5. और एक और चीज भी कर सकते हो. You subtract 993 out of it, okay, and add 1 to it. दोनों एक ही बात है. So this becomes 236, and we subtract. It is 7 minus 3 is 4. 13 minus 9 is 4. And 17 minus 9 is 8. So we have this is quotient and this is remainder. एक ही बात है. In fact, आपको यही ठीक. This is the right way because we are getting more. So we subtract 1. This number, this 993 twos are, it won't go. Okay. So that is why we are doing this exercise. Now, next method, that if we take the Verniculum of this 2, 3, 5, 1, 9, 2. It has, see, 9 is more than 5 and this 5 is more than 5. So we have to take Verniculum in 2 parts. We put a slash here. So 2 as it is, 10 minus 9 is 1 and we add 1 to it, it is 2. So 1 bar. Here also 10 minus 5 is 5, 5 bar, add 1 to this 4 and 2. So Verniculum of this number is 2, 4, 5 bar, 2, 1 bar, 2. And we divide by 993, which is 007. Put a slash here, proceed. First number as it is, 2 into 0, 2 into 0, 2 7s are 14, 4. Then 4 into 0, 4 into 0, this is 28. Multiply. Then 5 bar, this is coming out to be 5 bar. Put a slash, multiply by 5. 5 into 0 is 0, 5 bar into 0 is 0, 5 bar into 7. This is 35 bar. Okay. Now, add 35 bar plus 2 means minus 35 plus 2 is 33 bar. Next is 28 minus 1 is 27. Next is 14 plus 2 is 16. Let us write, this is 33, so means 3 bar, 3 bar. So we have this is 3 bar. 27 minus 3, right? Because this is carryover and this is 3 bar, so 24. So we write 4. And 16 plus 2, this is 18. But again we are getting 3 bar here. So we convert this into the normal number. 10 minus 3 is 7. We subtract 1 from here. So this is 3 and 18. But again we are getting more. So we subtract 993, which is coming out to be 844. So this is, again you have to take here also. This is also bar. यहाँ फिर लेना पड़ेगा आपको Verniculum. So 10 minus 5 is 5. And और इसका जो 1837 था ना, इसका भी एक ऐड करना पड़ेगा ना इधर. So this is plus 1 also. And we have to subtract 1. So this is 3, 2. So this is 236. This is your quotient and this is your remainder. Right? Now, as I told you, all these numbers are less than the base. But if it is more than the base, then what happens? क्या हुआ? So this is known as Parvata method. if the divisor is more than the base. So what we do, as I told you, that we subtract every number from the base. If suppose say 112 is there and we subtract it from 100, so basically we are getting a negative number minus 12, which is same as 1 bar, 2 bar. This is the only difference, and we proceed as it is. So for example, you have that you divide 13621 by this 112. So this is the modified divisor. So this is 13621, and here we have divided by 112. So 1 bar, 2 bar is the modified divisor. We should not put a 0 before it because base is 100 and it has 2 digits. Right? Do not put a 0. So we put a slash here because it has 2 zeros. So counting from right to left, proceed as usual. First number as it is. Multiply 1 into 1 bar is 1 bar, 1 into 2 is 2 bar. 3 minus 1 bar, 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, put a slash. 2 into 1 is 2 bar, 2 to the 4 bar. 6 minus 4, okay, 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4 is 2. Again, 2 into 2, 2 into 1 is 2 bar, 2 to the 4 bar. Now, 1 minus 4 is 3 bar. 4 bar, 2 bar is 6 bar. 4 bar. Very good. 4 bar. That's it. Now, both the digits, they are with bar. So what shall we do in this case? Basically, this is minus 43. Right? This is minus 43. So what shall we do? We will subtract this number from this 1112. So 112 minus 43. See, when in the remainder, we get all the digits with bar, with Rekhank. So we subtract this number from the divisor, 112. So this is 12 minus 3 is 9. 10 minus 4 is 6. So this is 69. So this is your remainder and this is your quotient. And one, you will have to subtract 1 from here also. So this is 1 to 1. This is your quotient. You want to ask something? Okay. हाँ, आप बताओ क्वेश्चन, आप बताओ, आंसर मैं दूंगी. Okay. Base is again 100 minus 108. So 8 bar. But 8 bar, we write 0 bar 8 bar or 08. This is 08 bar. 23514 divided by 108, which is 08 bar. We have 2 zeros, so we put a slash before 2. First number as it is. 2 into 0 is 0. 2 into 8 bar is 16 bar. 3 plus 0 is 3. Then 3 into 0 is 0. 3 into 8 is 24 bar. Next is 16 bar into plus 5, which is 11 bar. 11 bar. Put a slash. 11 into 0 is 0. 11 into 8. See, these are two negative numbers we are multiplying. So it would be positive. So this is 88. So let us write the answer. 88 plus 4, 92. This is 92. 24 bar plus 1. This is 23 bar. So this is 2. 23 bar minus 9 means this is plus 9. So it is 13 minus 9, 14. So this is basically 14 bar. and we have this is 2, and see this is also 1 bar we are heading. This is 1 bar, 3 minus 1 is 2. We have this type of thing. So here we have 2 digits, right? Here we are getting 3. So first thing is this 1 bar, it would come here. So if it would come here, this is 2 into 2, and 1 bar plus 1 bar, it is 2 bar. And what is left here, it is 4 bar and 2. Okay. So what we do that when we convert a number into bar, we have to subtract something. So obviously we need to subtract something from here. But let us take first the normal number, Verniculum, convert this. 10 minus 2 is 8. We subtract 1, so this is 2. We are getting this. And here also, this is 2 as it is. 10 minus 4 is 6, and we subtract 1, so this is 217. So this is the quotient, this is the remainder. Okay. Any other question?
रिमाइंडर आपने मतलब कैसे कन्वर्ट किया एक बार
4 bar.
हाँ जी
See, 2. I said that whenever the digits are more than or equal to 5, then we have to take Verniculum, right? So this 4 bar, this is negative number. When we convert this into a normal number, we subtract all from 9, last from 10. So 10 minus 4 is 6, right? और उससे जो पहले वाला होता है ना, उसमें एक कम कर देते हैं. उससे पहले वाला आपका है 218, तो 218 में से एक कम कर दिया तो 217 आ गया, right? I think this is I want to proceed further for algebraic expressions. See, normally when we divide a polynomial with another polynomial, we adopt long division, right? If suppose I say I have a polynomial of 7 degree divided by 5 degree, so you take a long division. But here, within 2 steps, you can divide one polynomial with the other using the same Parvata method or the Verniculum method. Let us proceed for that. So we have division of algebraic expressions. Very interesting this, because here we have so many shortcuts for this. Now, if suppose we have that you divide 8x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 4 by x minus 2. Now, first thing is, you have to write the coefficient of each term in the polynomial. If some term is missing, then you have to write 0. If suppose here x square term is missing, you put a 0. You cannot neglect. And you write this in the decreasing order, means highest order, next highest, and constant. In this way, you write only the coefficients. So write the coefficients of this. This is 8, 3, 2, 4. And then here we have this x minus 2, writes its coefficients also. This is 1 and minus 2. See, x is the highest power of the divisor. We just neglect it and take the opposite sign of this. This is minus 2, you take 2. If it is plus 2, then take minus 2. Why? Because if this is a factor, we put x minus 2 is equal to 0. So the value of x is 2. So that is why we take the opposite of this. Okay. And we proceed as usual. So here, this is first degree equation. So we put a slash only after 1. If it is second degree.
As we can say, ma'am, Paravarta we are using. So we should transpose.
Yes, we can
say
transpose. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So this is your minus 2. So we put 2. Again, you proceed first number as it is. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 19 2s are 38. 38 plus 2, 40. 42s are 80, and this is 84. But here, we do not take carryovers. See, we are dividing x cube third degree equation with the first degree. So, obviously, it is x square term in the quotient. So we start writing the quotient. Quotient would be 8x square plus 19x plus 40. And your remainder is 84. In this way we can divide. See how simple is this? Okay. Let me take few different methods, because here we have to take care of few facts while dividing one polynomial with the other. So the next is, shall I erase? Okay. See, first we write the coefficient of the given polynomial in the decreasing order. If some term is missing, we write a 0 for that coefficient. So here write the coefficients 8, 3, 2, 4. We want to divide by x minus 2. Its coefficients are 1 and minus 2. The first term we neglect and we write minus 2. So it is, take the opposite sign of this. Opposite sign means minus 2 to plus 2. If it is 2, then minus 2, opposite sign. So to proceed as usual, it is first degree equation, x minus 2. So we put a slash after one term. If it is a quadratic equation, you put a slash after two terms and so on. First number as it is 8. Then you multiply 8 with 2. This is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. 19 2s are 38. 38 plus 2 is 40. 40 into 2 is 80. 80 plus this and so on. Okay. And this is cubic equation. You are dividing by a linear polynomial. So obviously the quotient would be in second degree equation. We start with the second degree equation. So it is 8x square plus 19x plus 40 and the remainder is 84. Clear? Now suppose we have 3x4 minus x cube plus 4x minus 7. You divide it by x minus 1. Can you tell me the remainder? The coefficients in the decreasing order? 3 minus 1, 0, 4, minus 7. Good. So it means you are understanding. So x minus 1, so you have 1 minus 1, so it is plus 1. Obviously, we put a slash here. Then, first number as it is, 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 ones are 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 ones are 6 minus 1. It is a fourth degree equation and you are dividing by a linear polynomial. So answer would start from 3 degree equation. So it is 3x cube plus 2x square plus 2x plus 6. This is your quotient and remainder is minus 1. Right? Huh? Very simple. Yes, it is simple. Now, if suppose you have a 7th degree equation divided by a cubic equation. Huh? Okay, कोई problem नहीं. So if suppose you have x raised to the power 5 or 4x5 plus 6x square minus 2x plus 7 divided by 2x square plus x minus 3, for example. Okay. Okay. So we write the coefficients in the decreasing order. 4, 6. Here this is x5. The x4 term is missing, cubic term is missing. So 0, 0, 6, minus 2, 7. And you here also write this is 2, 1, minus 3. There is a twist here. In the previous examples, the coefficients of the highest power of the divisor was 1, but here it is not 1. This method is applicable only if the coefficient is one of the highest degree of the divisor. So what should we do to make it 1? We will divide by half, multiply by half or divide by 2. So we multiply by half. So what exactly you are getting? 1 half minus 3 by 2. Now you have to take the opposite signs, leaving 1. So it is minus half and 3 by 2. Sorry, 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. Again proceed in the same way. Now this is a quadratic equation, so we put a slash here. We proceed. So first term as it is 4. 4 into minus half is minus 2. So this is minus 2. 3 by 2 into 4. It is 6. 0 minus 2 is minus 2, which is 2 bar in fact, or minus 2 because polynomial है minus 2 भी लिख सकते हो. This is minus 2. Now you have minus 2. Half into minus 2 is 1. 3 by 2 into minus 2, minus 3. 6 plus 1 is 7. Then 7 into minus half, it minus 7 by 2 and 21 by 2. This is 6 minus 3 is 3. This is 3 minus 7 by 2. 6 minus 7, it is minus half. So this is minus half. Minus half into minus half, it's 1 by 4. This is minus 3 by 4. Again you calculate. So this is 21 minus 2 plus 21 by 2 plus 1 by 4. 4 is the LCM. So it is minus 8 plus 42 plus 1. 43, 35 by 4. This is 35 by 4. Then we have 7 minus 3 by 4. This is 28 minus 3, which is 25 by 4. Okay. So what is the answer? This is a fifth degree equation. You want to divide by second degree. So answer would start from 3, 5 and 2. Fifth degree equation, you are dividing by second degree. So obviously x cube you will start. So this is 4x cube minus 2x square plus 7x minus half. And the remainder is, see, this was quadratic equation. The remainder should be less than that. So obviously this is a linear x in terms of f. 35 4x plus 25 by 4. This is the remainder. Okay. But, sorry, here we have multiplied this by half. I forgot this. So here also you need to multiply by half if you have done. So this is your modified. So this is going to be, this is 2 minus 1, 7 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So quotient here will be 2x cube minus x square plus 7 by 2x minus 1 by 4. This is the question. Okay. So I think we conclude here. Actually, 4 or 5 methods are left, but because of paucity of time, I won't be able to take it. I hope you